And that is what the whole thing comes down to.
Mm-hmm.
Because Judge Joseph Salvi took a position and basically kicked Kash out of his kids' lives.
He absolutely did with Kaylee. And I believe that happened in 2018, and Kash had filed his case with federal court. Now, it had not been remanded back to Lake County Court when Judge Salvi had an impromptu meeting, and I forget the term, and Kash would kill me for doing so, ex parte.
Ex parte, yeah.
Ex parte hearing, thank you, Jesus. And cut Kash's rights to Kaylee off right then and there, without ever notifying Kash.
Yeah. Yeah.
Until that paperwork had been remanded back to Illinois or to Lake County.
Right.
He had no right to
authority.
that. Right.
I know.
That was that was a crime in itself.
We have a number of cases like that in Texas as well. Now, there's only one person that I know of that I think may be successful in combating it. The guy's a genius. But we'll see exactly what's going to happen here. But you're right. This is illegal what these courts have been doing.
Mm-hmm.
And they get off scot-free in almost every single instance.
Well, it's because there's no cameras in the courtrooms.
Yeah.
There are no cameras in the courtroom.
Yeah.
That is not allowed. But yet, if you go to criminal court, they've got plenty.
Yeah. So with Judge Joseph Salvi, I think that the corruption goes even a little bit further than that.
I think it became very personal.
Yeah.
It became very personal.
Now, and I've heard some things, and I'd like to get your feedback on this, because again, I want to make sure that I'm being accurate about this, not just making stuff up and not just hearsay and this and that. But did Judge Salvi have a brother or a relative or something who wanted to become governor or be the gubernatorial candidate for the Libertarian Party?
Yes, that would have been his brother.
His brother. What's his brother's name?
Well, you had to go and ask.
Oh, that's okay. But Joseph Salvi had a brother, and as I understand it, because Kash won the Libertarian nomination
he did.
to run for governor, and that was in 2018,
2018, I believe it was.
And Judge Salvi's brother wanted that.
Al.
Al, okay, so Al Salvi wanted that. And was the timing of all of these things that Judge Joseph Salvi did to Kash like very close at the same time that this other political nonsense was going on?
Yes.
Do you know any more details about that?
No, not really. I don't, because I had already left from up there at that time, and I know that Kash had, kept me up to date with what was going on. But at that time, I was dealing with something brand new to me, and I guess I didn't put my full attention into that.
My understanding, and again, this may be incorrect a little bit here, but if I remember, I thought that Kash won the nomination for the Libertarian Party by 1 vote.
He did.
And Al Salvi wanted to become that person. And it seemed like there was a little bit of personal retribution by Judge Joseph Salvi. Like basically,
Kash did. I remember Kash telling Judge Salvi there, that he needed, to step down, because there was conflict of interest here due to that situation. And he said, absolutely not. He is not stepping down.
Now, okay, so you have Judge Joseph Salvi's brother, Al Salvi, who wanted to become the governor, or wanted to get the nomination for the Libertarian Party, and that did not work for him. But now there's another Salvi that I saw that ran for the Senate in Illinois.
That's Al Salvi's wife.
Al Salvi's wife. Is her name June? I don't know what her name is. But anyway, because I just noticed the other day, I said, wait a minute. This lady is running for senator in Illinois. Her last name is Salvi? Is this any relation to Judge Joseph Salvi and his brother Al Salvi?
Yes.
And you're telling me there is. Now, she lost. That's a good thing. I mean,
I didn't hear that.
Yeah, she lost. And I'll tell you right now, I'm a Republican, but when I see this crap going on, I want these people out.
Absolutely.
So I'm glad that she got what she deserved.
I can't speak for any of those people because I've never met them.
Right.
Don't know them.
Right.
And I've never met Judge Salvi except, as someone that walked into his courtroom.
Yeah.
But if any of the rest of them think what he's doing is right, then those are not people that we need in office.
No, not
anywhere.
at all. Not at all. Not at all. So